Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the Seeadler B Selection St. John's Premium Shoe Trees. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So this is a box of B Selection or B grade premium shoe trees from Seeadler. This is the St. John's model and it is in the UK size 7 or EU size 41. Now let's go ahead and cut apart the sticky tape that's keeping the box safely sealed. And looking into the box from the top, you can see the Seeadler branding on the top box. I'm just giving you a close-up look now. And then setting the box or boxes down. So there are 3 boxes of the St. John's Premium Shoe Trees. So that is the second box, and you can see the third box is tucked deep at the bottom of this box. Let's set it down nicely and taking a look on the inside, making sure nothing else is left behind. We can set the box to the side. And now just giving you an arrangement neatly for you to see the 3 boxes of the B Selection St. John's Red Cedar Wood Shoe Trees by Seeadler. And there we go. So nice and beautifully packaged in this lovely grey box with gold lettering for the Seeadler branding right there. As you can see, nice and very glossy in that gold finish. So as I mentioned, they come in a 3-pack. And this is in the UK size 7 or EU size 41. They're also available in various other sizes. So just taking a quick look around the box. Okay. And now let's pop the box lid off of one of the boxes. And I'm going to set the other boxes to the side. Okay, and now just focusing on this one box, giving you that close-up look. You can see that lovely brown packing paper there with the, once again, Seeadler branding. And remember, this is a B grade or B selection stock. Now let's lift the paper wrapped shoe trees off and out of the box, and setting that box down. And now just giving you another close-up look at the packaging of the Seeadler St. John's Red Cedar Wood Shoe Tree. And they're just rolling the paper off the shoe trees, and you can see the shoe trees have a beautiful graining on them, and they smell just so nice with that red cedar wood. And red cedar wood is excellent for deodorizing as well as removing moisture from your shoes. So giving you that close-up look right there. And just let me make some slight adjustments in the background so they don't become too distracting against the foreground. So right there, nice, good view of this pair of Seeadler St. John's Premium Shoe Tree in red cedar wood, and this pack of all three pairs are B selection quality, so they aren't perfect. They might have slight imperfections to the wood graining or condition of the wood, or even the overall product finish. But as you can see, so far it's looking rather lovely and smells rather amazing as well, with the nice woody cedar scent, which, as I mentioned earlier, is good for deodorizing as well as drying out or removing moisture from your shoes. So nice, good look at this pair of red cedar wood premium shoe trees, and you can see the overall construction and finish and high quality of the construction and craftsmanship of this pair of red cedar wood shoe trees. So you can even see the size carved or stamped into the underside of the shoe trees, with that 41 representing the EU or European size 41 or UK size 7 for this 3-pack of shoe trees. So you can see these are premium shoe trees with springs built into the forefoot or toe section, as well as the midsection of the shoe trees, so that your shoes can be nicely stretched and the shape maintained on them. So you can see that lovely Seeadler finish on the metal fittings. And once again, that close-up look this time round at that very strong twin spring-loaded midsection of the shoe tree, and of course the forefoot or toe area of the shoe tree as well. So you can see compressed and released, very strong and sturdy pressure from the front and midsection springs of this Seeadler St. John's Premium Shoe Tree in red cedar wood, being a B selection or B grade quality. As you can see, nothing glaring that stands out in terms of any kind of poor finishing. As you can see, nice, lovely grain overall. And of course, as I keep mentioning, the scent is also quite nice. Obviously a natural characteristic of red cedar wood. And size wise, just resting this UK size 7 or EU size 41. The right hand or right foot shoe tree in the palm of my hand, giving you some sense of the size and scale of this side of the shoe tree. So hopefully you do have a nice, good overall view. And look at this pair of Seeadler B Selection St. John's Premium Shoe Trees in red cedar wood. Showing you the craftsmanship, even though marked as a B selection grade. Is rather impressive with no glaring issues that I can see. Other than perhaps a mismatch of the colors between the left and right foot side of the shoe tree. So that's the Seeadler B Selection St. John's Premium Shoe Trees. Thanks for watching and happy stretching!